Hello and welcome to Spooky2 Updates. Today we're looking at the new peptides presets. So if you're in your software and you've downloaded and installed this preset, you will open your software and go to the presets tab on the top left side of your screen. Go down to find the little house button, click on that, and all the list of your presets will be shown underneath. And we're going down the list and looking for JW peptides. So click on that and it will open to a whole list of different ways of delivering the peptides. And there's also a special animals list here which can be delivered specifically in the different ways. So for example, here's a quick look at the remotes available. Remote frequencies available for different animals. We've got cats, chickens, dogs, all different things going on here. And to get out of here, I'm going to go straight back to the home button, go down the list, look for JW peptides, and within here we've got the different delivery methods. So I'm going to look at remote. So I'm going to click on the remote and it's opening a whole list of all the available presets. They're already pre-made. And I'll just scan through it quickly so you can get an idea of how many. And there are a lot. There's so many. So I'll pick one out, and I'm going to pick out the weight loss one. Seems to be a popular thing among many people in the peptide world. So I've selected the weight loss preset. Go over to where it's the programs. This is above here, programs, and there's 12 different programs within the preset. So it will run all 12 of these and then loop through and start again. And then over here in the notes, it gives you a bit more information about what the preset will do. So you'd look through that, decide if it's right for you. And then we go over to the control tab. Now we've got our weight loss selected, the peptide selected. Go to control and it opens this window here. Now you will go to where it says overwrite generator and check that. So now it's selected. So then you get to choose which generator you want to run these frequencies on. Now I'm going to choose generator 9. So with the overwrite generator selected, then click on generator 9. And we'll go over and make sure we've got it right. Generator 9, weight loss, R for remote, and this is the base shell that's being used. Now we'll find a list of all the frequencies in here, and over here we'll find the separate peptides, and there's 12 different peptides that are being used here. And this is a total runtime 54 minutes and 7 seconds. So I'll go over to the start, just under where it says generator 9, click the start button, and now we're loading the waveforms into generator 9. And that's it, we're running. So it's running through all of these different peptide frequencies. Over here is the runtime. Over here we've got 11, 12 seconds, 13, and it'll run through, and when it gets to the end it will just restart, and it will keep looping through until you decide to stop it. And if you want to stop it, you come over back to where we started it, go down and find the stop button. And that's it.